Cody step here. Oftentimes, the CRMs that we end up using feel very dated. And this is because the intention is not being applied to them when we're actually building out these features. You're going to see inside this clip exactly how we've rethought the ability to migrate through all of the different pages, making everything modular so that you can succeed in looking at the stats that you need just when you need them. Once we're done, I'm going to share with you a little bit more about how you can actually gain free access inside SAM.
So if you're in a contact record, and this is just a dummy record here, up here in the upper right corner is your ability to switch between contacts one by one, go to the first, go to the last, whatever. So here's the button. This will take you to the first record. This will take you to the last record. And then this is previous and next. This is a record count of where you're at and how many selected. And it really comes down to how many people are selected in this list. So if I'm coming in here and I come in on the fourth contact of the list, whenever we look up here, I'm in contact number 4 of the 50 that's in the list. So you can definitely move between records and move around without having to go back and forth, back and forth. As you move between records, if you go to the first record, you go to the last record, any of the movement between records, you can see that it now changes the available items in that list.
Now I think you have a little bit of a better understanding of exactly how we've laid out SAM to help you. The truth is, we built SAM using a community to ensure that we're building a tool that works for you and alongside you to help move your business forward. So I would like to invite you to join that community. The easiest way to do that is visit sam.workflowsecrets.info and click the big sign up button. When you do this, you can get 14 days of free access inside of SAM. You can try out the system for yourself. And then once you decide that it's the right tool for you, you can go ahead and sign up and join our illustrious community. Once you're there, you'll be able to share on your experience, your need, and give us feedback all along the way. We can't wait to have you a part of this community. And it all starts sam.workflowsecrets.info and clicking sign up. I'll see you inside.